Okay, we are going to end the lesson today with story problems. Definitely important. It's the reason why we do what we do. So let's talk about this. On your sheet, I think I actually scrolled by it too far. Let me grab that a second. What to do? Let's talk about that. So what to do? Number one, you've got to define your variable. Look at the questions. Those questions are going to tell you what you have to find. So define your variables. Number two, look for your totals. The totals are going to be numbers. If you don't have numbers as totals, then you are going to have variables be your totals. I think you have one in your homework today where your variables are your totals. And then number two, you're going to write your equation. And then you've got to solve it. And number four, you need to label the answers. If you don't label things, you're not getting full credit. You have to label your answers. Your answers are not going to be written as ordered pairs, which you're used to. They are going to be labeled answers. So let's go. Number one, two families are going to an amusement park. Family A buys 2 adult tickets and 4 children's tickets for $32. Family B buys 5 adult tickets and 2 children's tickets for $48. Find the price of, here we go, each adult ticket and children ticket. Read that last sentence again. Find the price of each adult and children ticket. So let's talk about our variables. X is the price of an adult ticket, and Y is the price of a child's ticket. You're pulling that from that last question. Find the price. That's what you need to find, the price of each. Equations, pull out your totals. The total for family A is 32. The total for family B is 48. All right, go ahead and pause the video for a minute and let everybody have a chance to write their equations. It should take you about maybe 30 seconds to a minute to kind of figure that out. So go ahead and pause it. Okay, so how did that work? So you're going to talk about family A. So 2 adult tickets and 4 children's tickets. You're going to have 5 adult tickets and you're going to have 2 children's tickets. So that is your system. What method are you going to use? Remember, you can do graphing, substitution, or elimination. And I think elimination is the easiest. 2x plus 4y is equal to 32. 5x plus 2y is equal to 48. Again, you can work with x's or y's. It doesn't matter. I'm going to work with y's, and I'm going to multiply that bottom equation by -2. Okay, again, pause me for a second, and we're going to go ahead and give you guys a minute to solve that and get an answer and see how you did. Okay. If you did your work, you should get x equals $8 for an adult ticket. That's your label, $8 for an adult ticket. Y is equal to $4 for a children's ticket. Okay, so those should be your answers. Let's go over to the other equation and work on that one. All right, so it says that we have a grocery mixes cranberries and walnuts to make 30 pounds of trail mix. Cranberries cost $3 per pound and walnuts cost $6 per pound. How many pounds should they include of each if they want the mixture to cost a total of $135? So that's what you're working with. All right, so let's start with our variables, x and y. Read that. Again, go to the end, go to the question. How many pounds should they include of each if they want the mixture to cost a total of 135? So what are the two things, the each that they're talking about? So x is equal to the pounds of cranberries, and y is equal to the pounds of walnuts. Again, pull out your totals. The 135 is an obvious total. You guys can see that. So you're going to have an equation equal to 135. Maybe it's a little bit harder to find your other total. Read through the problem. What's the other total? Anybody got it? It should be 30 right there. It's not a typed out number, it's in word form. Okay, so also use labels. This 135 is talking about money. So include the parts that have money. Include the $3 per pound and the $6 per pound. So 3x plus 6y is equal to 135. 3, 6, and 135 all have to do with money. The other one has to do with pounds. So x plus y, because your pounds are the same. Okay, again, you can pick your method. I would pick elimination. I think it's going to be the easiest form. So 3x plus 6y equals 135. X plus y equals 30. Again, your choice. You can multiply by or work with whatever you want. I'm going to multiply by a -3. That'll get my x's to cancel out. So if you can go ahead and pause the video, give the kids a chance to go ahead and solve this, and then I'll be back and give you the answer. Okay, so answer, x is equal to, you should have found a solution of 15 cranberries, sorry, 15 pounds of cranberries. And y would be equal to 15 pounds of walnuts. So that's your lesson for today. Those are the things that you need to know to solve a system. You guys have done that work before, so hopefully that went well. And I think that's all I've got for you. So you're ready to go ahead and start your assignment.